Hey, what's happening, guys? My name's Connor. Today, partially excited. We got another fishing video, and this is it's kind of weird. Fishing the backside of a swamp, and we're gonna just see how it goes. I've never really had luck out of it. Getting on the spot right now. Watch out for snakes, man. Ooh. Backside of a swamp. Here we go. Now, if you guys are wondering what setup I use a Penfierce 3000 series reel on an Ugly Stick Light Pro Shakespeare medium action 6.6. I actually got the reel in a combo, and the rod freaking broke. Could have been my fault, I don't know. I haven't used the rod since. I haven't even touched it. Broke. I haven't fished here in a long time. I'm just throwing a White Eared Senko. I might switch to a Rooster Tail. You know, there's some bluegill in here, some bass. The bass are rare though. I've only seen a couple bass. I've only probably caught 4 or 5 bass out of here. Do a test. It's a weird fishing spot, I'll be honest. I usually don't come here. I mean, it's just kind of creepy, man. I kayaked in here once I actually kayaked in here twice. And the first time I remember, I thought it was shallow. Like way out in the middle of the pond. I was like, oh, it kind of looks shallow. I thought I saw like a line of sand, and no. I took my pole, and I tried to stick it down. Or not my pole, I took my paddle. You know how sometimes you'll take the paddle, you'll stick it down, and you'll see how deep it is. Took the paddle, stuck it down, and my arm just sunk. Oh. Alright. Right here. This is the best fishing spot. This is also apparently a Snake City too. Watch your feet, man. Whoa, what was that? I do not like that at all. I hate snakes. I'll be honest, snakes probably, like water moccasins, probably freak me out more than anything else. Gives me the freaking chills, dude. Hate them. Like, look at this shit, dog. Hell no, I don't care how good this fishing spot is. It's not even that good. Man, that is freaky. Hate snakes, dude. Hate them. I'm less scared of alligators than I am of snakes. Just because snakes are freaking everywhere. Especially water moccasins. I hate water moccasins. Water moccasins might be the worst fucking thing. They're everywhere. They are everywhere in Florida. I hate them. Freaky. Freaked me out. Snakes aren't that bad. Snakes aren't that bad. Clearly, though. Only snake I'm really afraid of is water moccasins. Just because they're so common, you know. Hey, black racers don't scare me or none of that, you know. Just being a snake isn't scary. It's just like water moccasins are fucking freakiest things, dude. What's wrong with this pond? Alright, I'm tying on a rooster tail. You guys can't see that. There are bubbles of something. I wonder if that's tilapia, or if that's snakes, or if that's bluegills. Try to run the spinner through them a couple times. Holy shit, that's tilapia. Holy shit. Oh, I spooked him. I spooked him. Oh my god, that is a lot of tilapia, bro. Oh my god, guys, you can't even see it. Oh my gosh. There's like 50 tilapia in a little school. Oh my god, I just spooked them. That's insane. Dude. Hold on, let's see if they come up. You guys can't even see it. Oh my god. Oh. So right out there. Like right out there. There's some bubbles. There's a whole school of tilapia, dude. Let's see if I can reach them. Come on, somebody hit. Nothing. Nothing doing in the tilapia. Man, they moved away. Dang it. Man, there's a whole freaking school of tilapia, dude. When I used to fish here, I actually ate tilapia out of here. I'd eat the tilapia because tilapia really, you're supposed to kill them if you catch them. So I caught a few. I didn't catch any, but my friends and people I'd bring here caught a few. So we ate a couple, and I don't know. That's some. Sometimes they'll eat like rooster tails and stuff, but they usually. I've caught them off worms. I actually caught a lot of bread. I was here. I was going night fishing one time up at the golf course, and there was a whole truck here. Yeah, there was a truck here with like his lights beaming so they could see, and they said they caught 3 tilapia in that night. They caught 3 tilapia in the night. Like, there's tilapia in there, you know? Oh my god. Is that spot all overgrown now? Looks like it, yeah. It's not. It's good. I can get back there. Because I'm really trying to catch fish for you guys, so, you know. Like, it's probably a terrible idea. Probably a snake right there. Probably move this around. Brush around. Let the snakes know I'm here. Whoop whoop. Guys, that is freaky. That is just kind of freaky to me. Oh man, I hate that. Oh, is my GoPro battery about to die? Alright. So one last cast. See if anything's gonna bite. This pond is weird. There's so many species in here. I've caught bass, bluegill, tilapia, which is 3, and I've actually seen a gar in here. That's at least 4. These 4 species plus different kinds of bluegill, different whatever. But alright, well guys, my GoPro battery is about to die. So this is the end of the video. You know, not the best video. You know, fish a little swamp pond. No bites. No nothing. Saw some cool stuff, saw some tilapia, but nothing really to go home about. Well, thanks for watching this video. See you next time.